How to uninstall Roblox from Microsoft Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about either it is possible to uninstall and remove Roblox from Microsoft Store or not. So now let's get started. First of all, I want you to know that you can't uninstall apps directly from the library section. Instead, you can close the Microsoft Store and then use your computer search function. Go to the computer search bar and then type in add or remove programs. Simply tap on it and open it. Now from the list that appears, scroll down and find the Roblox option. Once you find the Roblox app, tap on uninstall and then tap on uninstall again to confirm your decision. After that, this will be removed and uninstalled completely from your device. You can also repeat this for each instance of Roblox that you have installed. And this will uninstall, remove, and clear all the data, files, and the entire app from your system. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can uninstall and remove Roblox application from your computer. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.